Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Kids Plus on a Fire tablet. First, open the Amazon Kids Plus app or tap the Kids profile icon on your Fire tablet's home screen. You will then be prompted to create a child profile, which takes just a few moments. Be sure to set the appropriate age filters to ensure your child only sees content suitable for their developmental stage. This initial setup is crucial for a safe and personalized experience right from the start. Once your child's profile is set up, you can dive into the vast library of content featuring thousands of books, games, and videos. Parental controls allow you to set daily time limits, perhaps 1 hour for weekdays and 2 hours on weekends, ensuring balanced screen time. You can also restrict access to specific apps or web browsing, giving you complete peace of mind about what your child can access on their device. Personalize your child's experience by choosing fun themes and characters for their profile. Amazon Kids Plus also supports educational goals, allowing you to set learning objectives and track your child's progress in subjects like math and reading. You can easily monitor their activity through the parent dashboard, gaining insights into their favorite content and how they are spending their screen time, fostering a tailored learning environment. For uninterrupted fun, remember to download content for offline use, perfect for long car rides or when Wi-Fi isn't available. Understand your subscription benefits, which typically include access for up to 4 child profiles. If you encounter common issues like content not loading, a quick restart of the tablet often resolves it. Managing your subscription is straightforward through your Amazon account settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.